Obviously, being a nuclear site, you know, your safety's paramount. It's environment safety and safety personnel. In the UK, we have 8 nuclear power stations. All our key transformers are covered. We've got roughly about 70 of your G multi-trans, tap trans and transfix units on them, and that includes MO150s, and we also have a BMT 300 waiting to be installed. Being a nuclear site, obviously you're looking at safety, environment, personnel safety. These analysers speak for themselves now. We've got catastrophic failures before they've happened. When I started on this transformer condition monitoring, I thought how good would it be in our engineering department to have a big screen, because okay, we've got all these monitors on site, but we wanted to come back centrally, because I'm sitting in central engineering, so we can actually see what these transformers are doing. So that's exactly what we've done. We worked on this screen that we could have give us an output that was easy to read, so anybody not maybe just working on the asset, like transformer asset monitoring, could see that would just come up like red or yellow or green, and it will tell us it's got all of our stations, and it comes up with the most prominent alert. Can monitor the transformer from East Kilbride office. That's one of the benefits. The station also have access to see the transformers from the safety of the office, see what's going on if we have any alarms come up. So if a transformer has a caution or an alarm comes up, then it'll email out to us, and it'll give you the latest. Well, our version will give you the latest. I think it's 2 lots of readings with all the gas details. So it gives you there, and then if you're not at your desk, you'll know exactly what gases are giving you the problem. Because even at a weekend, at least we know if there's something going on with the units. We can look at fault gases, moisture and CO2 ratios. I would say the units are extremely good for what they've done for us. On the transformer's life, they're better to have. We've been lucky, we've caught, I think, in the region of about 5 or 6 before it's went to a catastrophic failure. You can weigh up what's the cost of, you know, a transfix against losing a transformer. If we think we have an issue, we'll set it up to be sampling every hour. We've got designated sites that we look at and report on every week. See if there's any abnormal trends, abnormal gas rising, and we check that regularly. In all of the occasions that we have had any alerts by the units, any time we've sent offline samples, it's backed us up, and it's come back with exactly what the units told us, so it's not been wrong. We have had to then basically we go into like a operational decision making meeting with the site and whoever else we need to inform, and then it goes from there to right, okay, so what do we need to do? Do we need to take the transformer out? Let's just sit down with an ODM, with the site, the manufacturer, somebody who's maybe a bit more informed, and you'll maybe get a wee bit more detail on it, and then you'll take more samples. We have so much information coming back, so if something does go wrong, we can look at the temperatures against the gases, against flow rates. Is there something wrong with the cooling? We can go and look at other things and make good judgments. Now the company are really, I think, using the transformer condition monitoring and benchmarking against it for other systems to see how well we work and how well we operate, and it's integrated so well in our systems.